In this section, we will be focusing on the division properties of exponents. Now, the division property, as stated here, states that provided the bases are equal, if you are dividing two expressions with the same base, different exponents, the result is the difference between the two exponents. So, for example 1, we have x to the 50th power divided by x to the 4th power. Now the bases are the same, so we can apply this property. The result would be x to the 50 minus 4. You always want to take the exponent that is in the numerator and subtract the exponent that is in the denominator. So we have x to the 50 minus 4 is 46th power. Now the next example, you have 4a to the 10th b to the 5th divided by 6ab squared. And what you want to do is work with the numbers and then the a's with the a's, the b's with the b's, and so forth. This property only works if you have the same base. So starting with the numbers, I'm just going to write them separately. We have 4 over 6, and we'll simplify that later. A, we have a to the 10th divided by a to the 1st power. This property says we subtract 10 minus 1. And the same thing with b. We have b to the 5th over b to the 2nd, so b to the 5 minus 2 power. Now, simplifying this, we want to try to reduce the fraction if possible. 4/6 does reduce down to 2/3. A to the 10 minus 1 is 9. B to the 5 minus 2 is 3. Now the next property, we are raising a quotient to a power. The result is each piece, the numerator and the denominator, is raised to that power. So in this example, we have 5/7 squared. And this can be rewritten as 5 squared over 7 squared, which, working this out, 5 squared is 25, 7 squared is 49. So we have 25/49ths. Our next example, we have x to the 5th over y cubed, all of that raised to the 4th power. We want to take the numerator, which is x to the 5th, raise it to the 4th power, and do the same with the denominator, y cubed to the 4th power. Using the power to a power property, x to the 5th to the 4th, we multiply the exponents. 5 times 4 is 20, divided by y to the 3 times 4 is 12. So we have x to the 20th over y to the 12th. Now in this last example, we have negative 4t to the 10th divided by u to the 6th, all of that raised to the 2nd power. And this is a combination of the raising a product to a power rule that we learned in a previous lesson with this quotient rule that we have here. The idea is we're going to raise each factor in the denominator and the numerator to the 2nd power. So we're going to have negative 4 squared, then t to the 10th squared, all of that over u to the 6th squared, and then evaluate each piece. Negative 4 squared is 16, t to the 10th squared is t to the 20th over u to the 6th to the 2nd power, u to the 12th.